हरिः कर्ता।
So next we'll be looking into tricontour f method. So x comma y comma z. The tricontour function in pyplot module of matplotlib library is used to draw contours on an unstructured triangular grid. So this is how it looks, and the syntax is similar to the tricontour method as we have seen earlier. So it consists of different parameters. So the each parameter is similar to the tricontour. Let's look into that one more time. So x comma y. So these parameters are the x and y coordinates of the data which is to be plot. And triangulation, this parameter is a matplotlib dot tri dot triangular triangulation object. Then we'll have z. This parameter is the array of values to contour one per point in the triangulation. So then we have quarks, which are keyword arguments. So this parameter is text properties that is used to control the appearance of the labels. So the tricontour f only keyword arguments is anti-aliased, which is a boot enable anti-aliasing which used in contours on an unstructured triangular grid. So what we will do is we will get into one example to get a clarity. Okay, so let's get into our notebook editor. So try contour f of x comma y comma z. Yep. So let me take the same grid package, not to do any changes, and let me take the same data x, y, and z, and even levels. Let me copy exactly and paste it here. So we have x array that's minus 3 to 3, that too uniform. It's a random but it's a uniform, and minus 3 to 3 and 256 fractions, minus 3 to 3 and again 256. And we have z, it's multiplication of two parts, and the first part is this, and second part is exponentiation of minus x square minus y square. And we have levels, we want to have levels, some levels, so that we took the linspace method and then we put it as a minimum of z to the maximum of z and made them the seven fractions. So that's what is our data. We have seen how it looks before. So now let's plot whatever is required for us now. So now it's time to plot tricontour f. Yep. So let me take fig x is equals to plt dot subplots, and let me create an empty plot. Yes, it is absolutely fine. So now let's create whatever is required for us. X dot plot. So similarly we'll take the same x comma y comma and put it as a circles. I don't want to go into any other shape. So, and marker size, I'll go with the same size that we had before. That's a 2.5. Then color as usual will go with the gray. Yeah, and execute, and here is your data. Clearly you can see that. Okay, Now, so let me add tricontour f, tricontour f of x comma y comma z, and levels is equals to levels. It's a tricontour f. The previous one that we had seen is tricontour, just tricontour. So let me execute, and here is that, brilliantly looking. Then compare it to this. So each contour is mapped. Each contour is mapped. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each one is mapped properly with the specific color. Okay. So now let me do the limits. Let me set the limits, x limit and then y limit, and then execute it, and here is your graph. So this is our tricontour f.